more pumpkin. I can't help it. I love it. So I'm making pumpkin creme brulee. Let's get started on Darlene's table. All right, so this is 3/4 cup of cream and 1/4 cup of milk. 3 tablespoons of sugar, salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. I love this pumpkin pie spice. Look at it. This is King Arthur, the best pumpkin pie spice. It's got all the spices: nutmeg, cardamom, cloves, and cinnamon. All right, now I'm going to whisk this, and we're going to cook this on a medium heat until the sugar dissolves. And then I'm just going to bring it barely to a simmer. I'm starting to see a simmer. I'm going to turn it off now. Carefully. And to this, I'm going to add just a little bit of vanilla. Just a little bit of vanilla. I'm going to whisk in the vanilla. I've got 2 tablespoons of sugar in here, and I'm adding the 4 egg yolks. I'm going to whisk this, and then I'm going to put about 1/2 cup of this mixture in here, and I'm going to continue to whisk it. I don't want scrambled eggs, but I need to temper the eggs. Okay, only about 1/2 cup. Now I'm going to continue to add all of it, constantly whisking. Now this will and that's cooled off. Yes, that's what we want. Now, here is the pumpkin puree. This is just 1/4 cup of 100% pumpkin puree, not pie filling, okay? Not pie filling. Now, I'm going to whisk this. Continue whisking it. I want it nice and smooth. Now, I'm going to need you to... All right, I'm going to pour this in here because I want to make sure that this creme brulee is nice and smooth. All right? Now I got it. Now that's good. Here are my creme brulee. It's not even 2 cups. So 1/2 cup. Now I'm going to pour hot water that I boiled a while ago. A little more, huh? That's not halfway. I'm almost there, though. Okay, That's halfway up where the custard is. The custards will go in the oven at 300 degrees for about 45 minutes and until really set. It's been 45 minutes, so out with the custards. Be careful, that water's hot. Doesn't that look pretty? So I'm going to take this out. We're going to let it cool for 15 minutes. And then it's going into the refrigerator, and tomorrow we will have this for dessert with the caramelized sugar on top. I can't wait. See you tomorrow. Pumpkin Creme Brulee. This pumpkin creme brulee is a delightful twist combining the classic French dessert and the great taste of pumpkin, the earthy sweetness of pumpkin puree, and the velvety richness of custard. It's not just a dessert, it's an experience. Warm spices like cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves infuse the custard with a comforting aroma that lingers in the air. What really sets this dessert apart is the satisfying contrast between the smooth and creamy custard and the crisp caramelized sugar crust that crowns each serving. As a cook, there's an undeniable satisfaction in wielding a culinary torch to achieve the perfect brulee, cracking through the glass-like sugar to reveal the luscious pumpkin custard beneath. I hope you will give this a try soon. By now, you know you can find this recipe on my website, darlenestable.com. Remember to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss my next video. And come back to see me soon, right here on Darlene's Table.